Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into KuCoin exchange, secure guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type KuCoin in the search bar. Click on the official KuCoin website link. Once the website loads, locate the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. A new login window will appear. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check your authentication app or SMS for the code. Enter the two-factor authentication code in the provided field. After filling in all required fields, click on the Login button. If your login credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your KuCoin account dashboard. In case you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password securely. If you encounter issues, ensure your internet connection is stable. For added security, consider logging in from a trusted device. Once logged in, explore the features available on the KuCoin platform. Always remember to log out when you finish your session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.